So we have quite a few things on our Easter menu, and I'm not used to cooking for a lot of people, so I'm curious to see how I handle everything. I just told God that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, because I'm not going to be stressed. I'm going to have fun with everything. So
pulls me deeper, 6 feet under storm and thunder, and I feel like that's okay. I'm moving again. She called my phone, I had nothing else to do. Sang this song to me, kinda made me feel like nothing ever changed. The way that I am right now, I want to hold her hand like it's in the water. I'm still breathing, getting stronger every day. Pulls me deeper, 6 feet under.
So my battery died. I haven't recorded anything since the last time you saw me. We've gone to mass, went for midnight mass, came back, ate very late dinner, and then I just crashed. Look at the time. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is 3 a.m. I'm about to just start all the prepping and everything, so I'm probably going to be out here till 7. So yeah, let's go.
Pulls me deeper, 6 feet under storm and thunder, and I feel like that's okay. I'm overthinking again.
People, just a quick update. Still working. It's 5 minutes to 7 and I'm tired. I may have napped for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but who cares? Hi guys, so the family have started to arrive. That is Uncle T, celebrity, coming to all your screens. Please tell them the movies you made for them.
Please just go, just shifting.
Wow. That's my friend Lulu.
Your friend, I'm not your friend.
So what are you doing?
I'm your cousin.
Say hi to the vlog.
This young man.
Hi to the vlog. Oh, you're reading. Oh, she has an exam. She has an exam tomorrow and she's studying. Yeah, she's studying.
Yeah, but I'm still here for the party.
Period. Hi.
Hi, I'm Will Smith. I just slapped.
She just slides.
Right. You know, nothing crazy. Hi. Alex, come say hi. Hi. Lulu, I guess Lulu's helping me out here. Put this here. Hey, I'll make more just in case.
Surprise me.
So the day's over. It was 5 minutes to 9 and we've tidied up just like nothing happened. It was such a good day. I'm tired. I've been up since 3 a.m. I'm going to sleep like a baby. Thank you for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, share to people that are looking for inspiration to host family gatherings or your friends. How did the day go?
Had family, friends, and celebrated Easter.
Oh yeah, grades. You can't tell me nothing.
You don't give me this one on the day today.
Why? What did I give the guy right now?
Please, walk, let me watch you.
Baby.
You're working, I work. I want to see you at work.
Oh gosh.